Well, this is an interesting topic, that is black holing the master account. For now, this master account does not have any regular key set. Let me show that to you first. Let me comment out any other code. Okay. So this output confirms that there is no regular key or signer list associated with this account. And hence you can't disable the master key because that's the only method by which you can authorize the transaction on the master account. Okay. So before disabling the master key, we need to assign a regular key. So let me uncomment this snippet of code. Let me put back this regular key field inside the payload. And now this is critical. So we need to assign a regular key to this master account. So let me open up the documentation and let me type Blackhole in the search bar. So there are a couple of special addresses. Let's see what are those. Some addresses have special meaning or historical uses in the XRP ledger. In many cases, these are black hole addresses, meaning the address is not derived from a known secret key. Since it is effectively impossible to guess a secret key from only an address, any XRP possessed by black hole addresses is lost forever. So you have the addresses in one column and the black hole yes or no in another column. So let me pick up one of the black hole address. You can pick up any of them and assign it as regular key, which means you do not hold the secret key for this regular key account, okay? Which means you can't sign using the regular key afterwards because you don't hold the secret key to it. So now let's assign this black hole account as regular key to our master account. This is step 1 and it is successful. Let me comment this out and let's execute the account info command once again and confirm if this regular key has been assigned to our master account. And it has been set as the regular key for our master account. But we do not know the secret key to it and nobody knows the secret key to it. Now since we have a regular key to our master account, we can now disable our master key using this payload, that is account set payload. Disable master's integer number is 4. Let me pull up the document. Go to references once again. Transaction types. The transaction type is account set. Let us scroll down. So we have the flag here, disable master, which means disallow use of the master key pair. Can only be enabled if the account has configured another way to sign transactions such as regular key or a signer list. In our case, we have a regular key, but we don't know the secret to it, so we can't sign it after disabling this master key. So we need to set flag, not clear flag. So this is the payload by which we can disable our master account. Let's do that. And remember, we need to sign this using master key. There is no other way to disable the master key. You have to sign it with the master key pair. Now this transaction disabled the master key, which means technically our master account has been blackholed. Well, let me make a transaction, try to make a transaction, and let me try to sign this using the master account, which should fail obviously because we have disabled the master key. So this is payment transaction. We are trying to sign it with the master account. Let's see what happens. As expected, it fails with this message, master key is disabled. Master key is disabled and we don't know the secret key of the regular key we have assigned to this master account, and hence we lose access to this master account completely. Usually issuers disable their master account so that users are more confident in investing in their tokens, because they can't issue more of those tokens because their master key has been disabled. So that's the idea behind it. That's it. That's how you disable the master key and also black hole your account. So if you want to know more about disabling the master key, you can just read this page. It doesn't tell you much about black holing your account, but you can read more about disabling the master key. That's it. In the next videos, let's see about signer lists and checks, etc.